with Small Engine Velocity. Coming at you with another moto vlog, riding to work, but today I have to drive in early because, remember that data center move I was talking about a few weeks ago that didn't happen? Well, now it's happening this weekend. And then the weekend after that, we're doing the physical move, so it's a lot of jam-packed weekend over here. Or jam-packed 2 weeks. I wanted to give some updates really quick. First of all, let's roll the intro. Alright, so some people have been wondering about the Met Gears. The Met Gears is still in progress. Actually, I worked on it a day ago, and what I was working on was cleaning up the case. The swing arm had a bunch of like weird calcified yellow stuff. I couldn't really tell what it was, but it was pretty yuck. I mean, it was to the point where I couldn't even scrape it off with a brass brush. So I ended up having to get the wire brush on the end, the stainless steel wire brush on the end of the Dremel thingy that was given to me by Poked by Toast, and I was able to remove it, or some of it. I'm still in the progress of removing it, and then once I'm done removing all of that stuff, then I'm going to go ahead and give it a little bit of a jet wash. My brother has a pressure washer, and we're going to go ahead and remove some more grime. I got to be careful because I can't spray the bearing really hard, and I can't spray not the swing arm, what was I going to say? The drive shaft. I can't, where the drive shaft comes out, I can't exactly spray there because if I do, then we have water inside the transmission. We really don't want that. Ooh, look, an H3, an H1. Ooh, look. A Nissan Sentra SER. My brother used to have one of those, and it was really nice. Look. Is it a Honda? I think so. Man, it's early in the morning. Should I get breakfast, guys? It's 6:26 right now, and I think wow, there's a lot of cruisers out today. There's another one. These Harley guys are everywhere. Can't escape them. And he didn't even look at me. Look at me! You can't even look at me! Anyways, I don't think anyone's noticed except for one person. But I painted my tank orange, if you can see it, without me taking my eyes off the road too long, but it's orange, and it looks great. It took me forever to find the right matching color because it is pumpkin. In this particular brand, it's pumpkin orange. And pumpkin orange is the same thing as my powder coat, which is international orange. And the name of this cover right here is just orange. So there you go. It's all some kind of orange. Anyways. Oh, what else do I got going on? I need to put the front foot pegs on. Ooh, garbage. And then I'm going to do my final videos for the KPR 200, and then I'm going to do my final videos for the Lycan, and then I'm going to perform a reset on my garage, and then I'm going to get the Zuma back in, all sorts of stuff. But anyways, if anyone else is wondering also, I started a vlogging channel. Why? I don't know. What am I going to put on it? I have no idea. All I know is that It's going to be the videos that don't fit in small engine velocity, which won't be many. It's probably going to be like one video a month or something, or one video a week or something like that, of just random not motovlog stuff, or mini moto stuff, or motorcycle stuff. But yesterday it was like blazing hot. I think on Sunday, the day my serpentine belt broke and I couldn't do the live, I broke the belt. I told you that already. The AC in my car said it was 102 outside, which it felt like 102. It really did. It was super hot. It was probably like 94 degrees, feels like 102 because of all the humidity. Generally, that's the way it works in Texas. There's a feels like temperature. Anyways, I hope my backpack doesn't scratch the paint on mine. Another reason why I painted the board was because my backpack, I guess, had been sitting on one of the buckles, and it vibrated a wear mark on there. I can't stop the alarm. Stop. There we go. I can't stop the alarm. There's the intersection, backpack, where you fell when I grabbed you. I'm so sorry for that. I can't believe fireworks stands are already out. Is it getting close? Oh yeah, right. It's less than a month till my son's birthday. Yes, my son's birthday is 4th of July. He was born on Independence Day. Which I think is quite cool. He gets fireworks. Generally, most people are off on his birthday, right? By the way, if anyone's wondering, there's a headwind today, like literally blowing towards me. It's only like 8 or 9 miles per hour, but there is a headwind. So, yeah. And then I still have to mow the lawn. I lack the skill to mow the lawn right now. My brother's lawnmower is being borrowed by my other brother, who just bought a house. I can use the edger and cut the grass. That would take a really long time though. Right? Yeah. Yeah. It would take a long time. Man, I'm doing some straightaways here. It just goes to show on the Ruckus how, like, you're affected by weather. Like, if it's too windy of a day, you just don't want to ride. You know you ride a Ruckus when you're checking the weather to see which way the wind is blowing. That's going to be my next video. You know you're riding a Ruckus when... That's a good one. Oh yeah, I'm thinking about getting a cheeky seat for my Ruckus. It'll be orange, of course. Oh man, I'm stuck. There's a scooter passing you, bro. I wonder what people feel like. I wonder what people feel like. I wonder what people feel like who don't ride scooters, who get passed by a Honda Ruckus. I mean, they don't know it's 49cc, so, or 150cc, or 250cc. mercy, they don't know anything about it. So, but I guess it's embarrassing to be passed by a scooter, right? I guess if it was more in a traditional sense of a scooter, like a Vespa looking thing, or Metropolitan or something like that, then yeah. Is that Joe? Hey, Joe! Oh, it's not Joe. Thought it was Joe. Yeah, Joe doesn't have long hair. I'm just thankful for this cool morning. Because it is not hot outside this morning. It's just like me. In the winter, I'm like, I wish it was the summer. And in the summer, I'm like, I wish it was the winter. But it's the fall and the spring that have the best weather. The fall especially. Because it doesn't rain as much. But in the spring, it rains a lot. Well, anyways, I'm at this intersection, and I might as well end while sitting behind a Focus RS. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Look down there for my new channel if you want to check it out. I'm not really going to focus a lot of extreme effort into it, except for maybe a video a week. If you want to be interested in that, I think it'll be, I don't know what it'll be, but it'll be something. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Hopefully you like this moto vlog, and I will see everybody in the next video.